Okay, we are going to do a short video on how to add content to our elementary courses at Polaris School. We are currently on the Blackboard site, and I have accessed the Grade 4 Language Arts course, which we need to add sections to. So we will scroll down. And we see content area to add a section. Then we type in section 22, click available to users, and we click submit. Now we have created a blank comes in 4 areas: building vocabulary, language usage, reading, and writing. So to do this, we click build content, go down to learning module, and that creates the first area for language usage. Click submit, and we have created the second area within section 22. We go back to build content, learning module, and we would type reading for the next area. And you can actually click return or enter. So now we type writing, and now we have created the 4 areas within the section for us to add content. So now we will add the content. Over to partner content and choose Peak Library, which is your only choice there. And now we are accessing the Peak Library, and then we choose Fuel Ed Lessons. So we're going to Fuel Ed Lessons to find our building vocabulary for this course, for this section. And you click search by, and you click Fuel Ed Titles, which brings up Fuel Ed Titles. We click and it brings up the big drop down, and you locate. Okay, I'm in Grade 4 Language Arts. I'm doing building vocabulary. So you just go down, find building vocabulary. We click that, and it brings up all of the titles. That I do have a list of the last section I created, so that I know what to choose for this section 22. This might take a minute for it to bring up page. You see there's actually 170 items, so you'll need to click show all to get down to the content area that I'm currently accessing. In section 21, my building vocabulary was OO sound, so I'll just go through till I find OO sound and then click the next item on the list. You see there's the OO sounds, which I already have chosen for section 21. So section 22 will be the next set, and in this case the next set is the UR sound. So we will click all of the items that say the U of section 22. And I do keep a little running total on paper beside my on my desk here, so I know, okay, I've added UR sound to building vocabulary. We click Fuel Ed Titles, and now we need to find language usage on the list. All right, there's language usage. We are in 4th grade language arts, so it's language usage, Roman numeral 4. And then we click go to bring up all of those titles, so I have the list of what to choose from. Items for the next content area. Okay, we'll scroll through until we find interjections. Okay, there's interjections. So we will choose the next area, which is sentence section. We'll do sentences 4, 5. Or, I'm sorry, 3, 4, 5. All right, so let's make sure I have sentences 1 and 2 and click submit. And then I'm going to jot that down that I chose sentences 1 and 2, so I will be prepared when I move on to section 23. I'll know what to choose. And this, it does take a little bit of time, as you see. I double click reading, partner content, click Peak Library, click Fuel Ed Lessons, Fuel Ed Titles, and we're looking for reading, so we'll scroll through our list until we find reading. And we click Reading 4 because we're in 4th grade language arts. We click Go. Scroll down, click Show All. The last, in section 21, reading was alphabetization. Sorry, can't say that very well. So we'll scroll through till we find that and choose the next grouping. All right, there's alphabetization. So the next area would be cause and effect. So you choose all of the content for cause and effect, and we click submit. All right, and those areas have been added. So click our section 22. Go down to writing, double click. Click partner content, Peak Library. Fuel Ed Lessons. Click Fuel Ed Titles. This works slowly because it's the middle of the day on a school day, and there might be lots of teachers accessing this peak of the Peak Library. All right, all right, drop down list, down to writing. Make sure you choose the proper writing 4 in this case because we are in Language Arts 4. Click Go. Scroll down to Show All. And the last item I chose for writing in section 21 was ideas and really experiencing some slow time here. Sorry, this is really very slow. I can't seem to scroll at the moment, so we'll just have to wait for it to catch up. This works, so, oh wait, looks like I'm available now. Okay, so ideas and opinions was my last section, so we would choose the next one, which would be literary conventions, and push submit. And now we have